So, some brand new shots of the DJI Mini 5 Pro just surfaced, and honestly, we were kind of expecting DJI to have started dropping official teasers by now. But nope, nothing from them yet. Instead, it's Roland Quant who jumped in and shared some promo images that are definitely keeping the hype alive. Now, Jasper Ellens had been pretty confident earlier that the launch would happen on the 16th, but even he's not so sure anymore. Usually, DJI announces its events at least a week before launch, and since that hasn't happened yet, it's got people second-guessing the date. But hey, that's how leaks go. Sometimes they're spot on, sometimes not. That said, Roland's promo images did reveal something worth noting. While most of it wasn't new info, there's one detail we didn't highlight in our earlier videos. The Mini 5 Pro is officially rated at 81 dB, which is the exact same as the Mini 4 Pro. That means it still fits into the EU's drone noise classification. Interestingly, real-world tests showed that the Mini 4 Pro was actually quieter than its official rating. In a standard hover at about 1.5 meters, it clocked in around 67 dB, which is roughly the volume of a normal conversation. So it'll be interesting to see if the Mini 5 Pro follows the same pattern. If you want a deeper dive into everything we know so far, check out the full video we've linked. Switching gears for a moment, the team over at the new camera spotted a listing for the DJI Osmo Nano on Adorama before it got taken down. That gave us an early look at pricing. The standard combo with 64 gigabytes was listed at $400, while the 128 gigabytes version showed up at $430. Both options included free shipping and monthly financing. Alongside that, there was an accessory listed, a bidirectional magnetic ball head assembly priced at $35, designed to give creators more flexibility with their shots. And here's where it gets interesting. DJI's own social media team actually slipped up and accidentally posted an official image of the much-rumored Osmo Nano in a promo for the DJI Mic 3. On top of that, YouTuber The Product Village uploaded a short video introducing the Osmo Nano. That clip not only confirmed the 128 gigabyte storage option, but also suggested that DJI is prepping multiple accessory packs, just like they've done in the past. That's all we've got for now. Let's see when DJI finally makes everything official. Catch you in the next one. Peace.